for me mama aqua strongo eba too much G8 so no na ama obusa maya crado send the day trending issues abeto jano me dey ebe so meninti minim se wo so ay crado pass se wo betie emu ensem na dia abeto day dey e kire kroi eso se Ghana mu ebusia for enya asem keto Ghana hansem eye na natonado wasabe kasabiem na ebusia for mama for mko eche kakra mbeka ya na sente bi beto menim se Reverend Bedu Kobi what the ensema ba on that one am lawyer for bi the sermons letter notice the koto na natonado nim se be ya ensem bi obeka fa no ho wa bonte so I oni efia so take talk enti wa be biem ebie ninu maka nsema kese afa no ho ni an one chain time na ebie mu so no apologize to the public public ni no obi ehun sa se no kan no na wodi ntro na nya no kre na no na tese buy no ma osade 72 hours ultimatum eka won say within 72 hours when this adwuma ne dia no obeto aso na tese do bebi ode no befa bia no na emna no ne bedi no na wode no afa ho na no na nam so e na tese eye na nato na de wakopie mu e wo interview for France na de wo ka ho de wotumi say abranten wa ready wa kwa do and die enkwa anu owo asem na de intermaker ne sa no ene sem na nato da do de abeto dia say wo no de sesi ade nyame so mpa de o de tag na enye djuma won so nyame obi a ti asese wono won nyi bible ndi won nyi nyame di andi na se eye Reverend Bedu Kobi pese won prove point dia and won sunu so dia and won mpa antoa de obi aka ntem wo wo ko na opeda mkosi opeda snap na wo ka nsema waka se no kra ye fa se ni se edimi enya no kra fa se ni se edimi ho the justice at instantly international say justice si na wo bia ede ne muso afa de baby a wo de ebe fa nti se sa na beba dia ene Ghana for ye be hu do hoka no kra ene de hoka to because ono pa na do ni de won dia tro enche Ghana for na de enti hoka ne sa ne se wo se no oni efia Schwarzenegger ene na nante obi ode na bestida na anokwasem so wo mo sa brenu na comment wo mo ntro mo pesike didi nti no mo na masofo ene mpenifo eso wo Reverend Bedu Kobi ya obetra wo na ase ene wo di nkomo ma wo ka kire first Schwarzenegger say wo man sikapu do bi say wo mra bonten na Reverend Isaac Owusu bempa wo fa ne ensi apa wo so na say wo nya no up and down ne say wo yinto nchen na ya wo yinto nchen ne won disgracing in public ni ata say wo bia losing faith in him and say wo losing fans crampo na sa brado crampo we mu osaka de ka ho say na wo ni Reverend Owusu bempa na team a wo de etu da say wo organizing ko bi am wo makoku nipa na ni niam no atenti no na natonado asem mu odru say wo betna a public radio station so akato abonti ate say enya no kra bi enim wo ndo onsuro hwe waka e de to say Reverend Bedu Kobi so I ready na wo feel say obetimi aye bibia fa nsem na nsem no wo ka no na natonado e ka na nya no kra dia enye wo ma ni ono so ma ni two ultimatum sunu anase monko antwa na de be egika ko die Ghana ha aye nsempi na namu nim say sermons no so serve ya che 72 hours so abatwe mu na so say wo sunu le enu no beto da enti se se ade yenji tum say na natonado so we say si asem no so even after letter na a trend here say yesu no and I say you serving notice say won apologize no retract na no a won ye wo so mpa bibie no be apologize for oni asem bia waka enimu a be apologize for onu emu so on retract asa de bi kra ka ho biem na no ti yenyi ntum say the orca no aye no kre ana say ye fun say Reverend Bedu Kobi wakwa nyame nipa enti so man ultimate no manya aduma akwa nyame so for there but the fact no de eche na natonado say asa na man go fight confused wo bi nu do offer say na natonado ka no kre say Reverend Bedu Kobi so e na wache ensem na san atese wo de Boniface be mu ana say bia e no kre power ensem ni mu de but wo she say na natonado so na ni abra asemi asem notice na still na wo jina so ka say won twatro eno ani asem no wasa ke bia ka ho say Reverend Bedu Kobi atra meeting mu aka won a kire won ni efia Schwarzenegger say wo ho e na Reverend Owusu bempa organizing for say wo mu kokun obi na no allegations no aye bebre na mun say da me tai ka say Ghana ha de ka sa de ye adie wo ka sa ho pa ka say djuma oh obi a betima ka say Ghana for kasa the billions bank and Ghana for a base for class Krobia or my Oriase because you kasa pa but I dare ye nimu and say ye 2 and more Edia Fakasano. Charlie cases are to Jack. Shine sema a woman. Now when we are better the trendy na kwa na ba na trendy na kwa na ba near Jesuo and where Sambia but we see get to say what say meeting and a woman organizing for and say Yanko Kubi and can woman in police for security agents for may inviting Nana to not do much in the proofs are all the evidence or no matter inside their friend or cat or meeting Musubi near most Yakutuna no not your na walk outside as Simon no make his arrangement to see our friend. No BBA or organization no say our friend not as you the airport and kata Babu Wuni abeka letra de jaoko. Science crowd according to Natonado, your chair if you are sustained and no air for the purpose of defamation. So on defaming reference who be background on a huge case uncle for Edia Kokota. Woman to me Eddie Bima, woman Yamusika, so when you are taking Edia Momo. Now so Yati from Memo Airport and that was her. And a DM so Reverend Bedukobi. One will be releasing letter as a lawyer for Actual Muse. Natonado and some of our come about them can retracted no apologize on no more 72 hours ultimatum no one fast and yasem was shame was receiving notice by one not or one address as some was actually I'm or shame can come more or granting more interviews or no also have more life recordings then see dear pa and a gun ha or mine simple any year dear echo. Me tell you, why would you say about your comment or Etuja, a comment session or at FMI APMs in the following our Instagram and Twitter page at too much GH and that's connect APMs on your Facebook page at too much GH. Nana Ama Obusa enemy Medibesia, Namia, the best idea shall be macram.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A brave PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me did the Isaac Ojampo. We between family the great tampo. Bring. One man come on here too much GH. Too much GH. Mo you too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Too much GH. We are boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
The major prophet kun chacha. On say me catch was say bomodin na hwe Too Much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade. Kat won na bomodin na be hwe Too Much GH be hwe na subscribe bomodin o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura